Saxon, where's the green frog? Good. Where's the red bird? Good. Where's the teacher? Good. Where's the blue horse? Good. Yellow duck. Good. White dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. Where's the purple cat? Good job. Where's the brown bear? Good boy. Where's the black sheep? Where's the black sheep? That's purple cat. Where's the black sheep? He goes, bah. There you go. Good boy. Where's the goldfish? What's the goldfish say? Good boy. Show me goldfish again. Goldfish? That's black sheep. Where's the gold? There's the goldfish. Good job. Say yay! Smart boy.